going on your feathers? Pretty bird. Submitted? Aw.
So the reason the Tilly was so noisy a second ago is because
Yeah,
you
jealousy.
you had another bird,
Yeah,
and then you walked out,
yeah.
and now she looks very happy.
Now she's going outside.
She's gonna go outside now?
Yeah, she can scream when she walks out there.